Okay. Next. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who did we do this with? We do not
Nisha
learn
ma'am.
from our experience,
Nisha
but we
ma'am.
learn. Nisha ma'am.
Nisha ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much. We learned from Nisha ma'am from Chennai. She has her own project of Kanavu over there, which means dreams, and she took us through a different set of experiences about what were some of the things that she discussed with her. Anyone would like to share? Unmute and share quickly.
Sir, she discussed about talking, sharing, ask everyone, commit to act and build an ecosystem.
Building an ecosystem. Thank you. Any other thing
Let
anyone remembers?
She
Yes,
also asked about unique talent.
Interesting.
And reflection. What is reflection?
What is reflection? Amazing, amazing. So let's see some of the things that she talked about. She talked about how do we do deeper thinking. She talked about how do we the 5 big ideas around reflection. That reflection happens everywhere, every time. Um, she talked about that reflection exists, and we all do reflection in different ways. And then she took us to some of the strategies around how some of the things that we do at our core level about SWOT analysis and the EWNS tool, which we can adopt at our own level, right? All right. One second. Just give me 1 second, everyone. It's just getting hanged a bit. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Oops, very quick. What does it take to guide improvements? So Tejas took us through this sections on different effective strategies or effective criterias for giving feedback. You know, like we often give feedback in different ways, saying "well done, good job," but how effective or not it is for teachers and for students primarily to take any action on that front. Tejas sir took us through these different criterias of feedback being specific, evidence-based, focusing on knowledge, and conveying the next steps as very, very important. So this was some of the things that we did a little deeper this time. We all knew that feedback giving is important, but how we could see it differently is something that we learned. Next, pathways to observe, the ABC tool. Lot of you have done the ABC tool. For some of you, it might be new this time. Would love to hear what were some of the things about ABC tool that we remember and cherish. Shabina Baji, would you like to share?
Okay.
I'll come back to you, Sadia Baji, as well. I think Shabina Baji's video is hanged. Sadia Baji, would you like to share?
Yeah. ABC model, like A stands for antecedent, B for behavior, and C for consequence. So for behavior, there are stimulus that leads to reactions and the way we behave, and then the behavior leads to consequence. This was the model that she taught us.
Amazing, amazing. Any other thoughts or any other discussions or any other particular incident or evidences from the discussion that anyone has noted and would like to share with the group?
She discussed a
Sir,
case. Okay.
नहीं, you continue.
Okay, Sadia Baji, would you like to share?
Yeah, she discussed a case of a girl. She was whenever teacher used to make her leader, and she used to get attention. She was very much active in that. But then while doing science assignments, she could not understand anything and she could not do that. So she started doing such things which was disturbing other students. So what the teacher did, the teacher scolded her, and so she started banging the desk, and she showed some of the behavior which is not acceptable. So and these leads to the consequence, like the first behavior of the girl when she was she disturbed the class, that leads to teacher the consequence of the teacher scolding her. And then when she scolded her, she started banging the desk, so the teacher took her to principal, leaving the class alone.
Right.
This was the
Thank
case
you.
that she discussed. And
Amazing.
through this, yeah.
Any other one-line thought that anyone has? Sadia Baji raised hand. Any one-line thought that you have?
Sir, it was about supporting, understanding, and responding.
Supporting, understanding, and responding. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's see some of the things we talked about. We talked about, she took us to the details of the antecedent, behavior, and consequence model at a very, very small, because it's a long course. When we go to institutes like KISS in Mumbai, like Tata Institute of Social Science, for B.Ed programs over there, this is one of the program in special education which is taught at a very big length, but she could help us recap those things which we had covered in person in the month of January as well. And some of the amazing thing that she took us, Shamin ma'am also took us through, was about online teaching and facilitation. Some of the effectiveness of giving instructions, setting up an online classroom, instructions during an online classroom, and what are some of the teaching and facilitation criteria during online classroom. She took us through some of those details as well. Let's see the next one. Saral Sankhya. This is a very, very recent one. Any thoughts? Data isn't about number of records, but it is about the talent around data. Any thoughts? Any thoughts around Saral Sankhya?
That we can create a small data with the information which is just around us, and that will help us in our progress to know the children better.
Amazing, amazing. There are small information which we as teachers already have. We don't need to go out and build new information or find new information, but there are already so many existing information around with us which we can use to build data about our students. Correct. Thank you, Lubna Baji. We'll quickly see. So he gave us the example of how while making chai, we have so much of data around us, right? And there's just so much data in making a chai also. I hope everyone while making tea in the last 48 hours have been remembering the quantity of every single ingredient and how much it matters while making the chai as well. So he took us through that example of a very regular home chore activity, which is important. And then through some of the examples around visualization of data about the students who are there in the classroom. So yeah, Prasanna sir was very kind enough to help us with that aspect. Lastly, we had yesterday we had these things around differentiation, where we talked about engage all and invest all. Any quick thoughts around this? Any quick thoughts around differentiation? It was the very first time we introduced differentiation to you all. In fact, to every teacher, the whole concept was new. At a very introductory level, we did. Yes.
Sir, can I?
Yes, please.
Hello. Sir, can I?
Yes, we are able to hear you. Please.
First of all, we have shown the different parts, and you have told us that you have to concern about student only. For that, you have taught us about readiness, interest, learner's profile. In the readiness, you have to see the skill and knowledge and concept clarity. Interest also, there are different parts that is activities and all. Am I clear?
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
And about the learner's profile, in which we have to see the family background and other data. We have to see the about the students.
All right, Sabina Baji. Thank you so much. We will hold on to that. We will hear Rafia Baji had to share something, and then we'll come to Farin Baji as well.
All right. So, sir, in the beginning of the session, you had set a quote on the screen which had, really touched me. And yesterday, the whole day, I was thinking about the same. like how can I do such things. Like the thought was every student can learn. There is nothing more unequal than the equal treatment of unequals.
Yeah.
Like the whole day I was pondering on this thought, and now I have come to the like things that how our unequal treatment to the students or equal treatment to different students always demotivates them or like lack them from learning. So that thought has really touched me, and throughout the session I was finding those aspects in your session. So really the session was really very beneficial. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Afia Baji, for sharing that. Farin Baji, yes, would you like to share?
You can you shared with us the differentiation is differentiation is a process and it is a made of thinking.
It is a mode of thinking.
It is a
Thank you.
continuous
Mode of thinking.
it is
Yeah.
a process.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, it's a process and a mode of thinking. Thank you so much. So as we see, teachers can differentiate in 3 different ways through content, process, and product. But to start differentiating, there are certain basic things that they need about student information, about their readiness, interest, and learning profile. And differentiation is a process and mode of thinking, as Farin Baji said. So yes, absolutely. It was great to discuss this thing, because this is one of the core principle of inclusive education. Internationally, where inclusive education practices are being practiced, differentiation is the only practice which is carried out in schools which are termed inclusive for children with all different abilities. The design of this practice varies from country to country, even within a country, state to state, and even within a state, from school to school, because the background of the children is extremely different. So the practices adopted are also extremely varied and different. So now that we have known this 7 to 8 things, then one thing which maybe I'm forgetting or I did not put purposely actually, what was one thing that we also did beside this, which is not part of the pedagogical practice, but yeah, it is part of the regular thing that we do right now with the students. What was something that we did? Anyone? Sadia Baji.
Google Forms and the link.
Google Forms. Thank you. Thank you, Sadia Baji. I have not put that because that's something we are going to do. We are doing it every single day. So yeah, just wanted to focus on the pedagogical practices that we have taken up this far. So let's be very, very quick now. Now it's a rapid fire round of only 4 minutes. Okay. So you're going to see some pictures. Now you know all the different things that we have done. You know the name of the sessions, you know the title, and you know what topic or theme they were relating to. So we're going to have a quick rapid fire round to see what there is going to be a picture popping up, and you got to quickly choose out of the 8 themes of teacher-student relationship, well-being, formative assessment, effective feedback, data driving things. In what ways or into which picture, which aspect links to. All right. And for this, you will only get a chance, not in chat box, but to unmute yourself. You have only 2 seconds for every picture to quickly unmute and share. All right. So you may want to have your finger on the mute button, unmute button. Okay. What does this picture relate to? If you read the picture, you'll be able to know. You have to read the infographics. Quick. What does this infographic relate to? Not so difficult. Which of the topic or theme does this infographic relate to?
Formative assessment.
Thank you, Farin Baji. Fantastic. Formative assessment. It says about where the children are, where they are going to go, and how to get there. With the help of formative assessments, we are able to take them through the quiz, poll, data, the toolbox kits. Tells us about its formative assessment. Thank you. The next one. Quick. What's this about?
Reflection.
Reflection. Thank you. It's about reflective practices. Thank you, Rafia Baji. Let's move quickly to the next one. This one. Pretty easy.
Mental health.
Mental health. Yes, it's about the balance of the mental health every single day, which we got we are aware, we know that, but we got lot more aware with practices and actionables that we can do to take care and balance our mental health. Okay, next one. Quick, anyone? What is the teacher trying to do here with the students? Aisha Baji, I guess, is ready.
Building relationships with the students.
She's trying to build strong relationship with the students inside the class, during the class, or after the class, I guess. Thank you, Aisha Baji. Let's see the next one. Oops. Quite self-explanatory and quite articulate.
Feedback.
Feedback, giving effective feedback. Thank you.
Feedback.
Thank you so much, Aisha Baji. The teacher is trying to give effective feedback. It's very, very important, the power of visuals. This one, a little tricky, but I'm sure if you read it through, you can zoom your phone screen also, you'll be able to read it a little more clearer if that's what you
ABC. ABC.
ABC. Okay, amazing. Thank you. I was wondering what made you think about ABC, because when I was reading it through, I was like, yeah, the sequence is visible. So that tells a lot about how the concept is really engraved in our mind. Thank you. The next one, the antecedent behavior and consequence model that we learned under ABC. Again, I would just like to rephrase here and re-emphasize that ABC is one of the most strongest model for children with learning difficulties in mainstream classroom. So हमारे mainstream classroom में जब special educators आते हैं, so one of the biggest practices special educators recommend for mainstream classroom, regular classrooms के लिए है, जो है कि ABC model है. तो जैसे जैसे ABC का behavior management model अगर हमारे practices में engraved होते जाता है, तो our ways of dealing with every single child, irrespective of their ability, is going to increase for sure. So just wanted to re-emphasize that aspect. Last couple of them. Whoa. What is the teacher trying to do?
Group activity.
Group activity, great. It's trying to have different kind of groups. Which theme is this relating to? Which theme?
Strategies.
Yeah. She's trying to have flexible grouping, somewhat, quite not evident, but somewhat flexible grouping somewhere. Where did we learn about flexible grouping in?
Differentiation.
Yes, she's trying to do differentiation here to different products and practices. So the digital module hai, so she's trying to do some differentiation to the digital practices and by having some children with her as well. So that's about differentiation. Lastly, this one, what does this tell?
About data.
About
Data analysis.
About data. It's quite evident, right? I should have hidden the top part. Okay. Thank you. That's a bad construct. Okay. So yes, it's about data-driven practices that we learned with Prasanna sir as well. Thank you so much. So the idea of this quick pictorial run through as well was just to ensure we do not need to get worried and we do not need to get afraid of the different kind of new practices that we are learning every single day. It's important that because these things already exist in our classroom in many ways every single day. The more we are able to remember the visuals and the picturization of these incidents happening in our classrooms and these opportunities which arise in our classroom, the faster we will be able to adopt it in our practices. So the question is not how much knowledge we gathered through these 14 days. The question to ask to ourselves is how much confidence did we gather to start with which practice right away when we are working with students. So that's what I will take a pause here now and I would hand over the mic or the audio video to Zaida ma'am first to start with, and then Dureshwar Baji to share her words about the experience that they have seen you all going over the last 2 weeks.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you Kushal sir, the whole Samit Shala team, which is now getting stronger and stronger with each passing day, and all my lovely Bajis, Dureshwar Baji, the Canal branch teachers and everyone present here. I am not going to give a formal speech any which ways, even if I seem to begin like one, because I did not have any time to write a speech. I was just listening through what all you had been doing all these days, the visuals, and there are a lot of adjectives being used here. Challenge, dedication, passion, hard work, inclusive, mental health, curiosity, empathy, talent. ये सारी चीजें बहुत सारे जो आप लोगों ने सेशंस अटेंड किए हैं या जो सेशंस कंडक्ट हुए हैं, they are all revolving around all these things, like teaching, learning, building relations, feedbacks, the mental health, the emotional well-being of the child, the curiosity या बच्चे का जो होता है, because we are completely on a new platform. The school which was into a physical concrete building has now become an abstract online virtual classroom, right? So that personal contact, even if we can see each other over the screen, we are not physically together. So that really makes a lot of difference on the mental aspect of learning for a child. Now this change of the whole scenario, I have been observing the students all this time. It's been almost a month now, nearly a month, that we have been dealing with this online learning and teaching and all. But the biggest question to me is, are we really educating the children, or we are just entering some data of some subjects into their physical and mental minds? ये एक ही चीज है which has kept me thinking over and over again, that what exactly are we able to do and what exactly are we doing. हम जो कर रहे हैं उसका output क्या है? Output will come to us some days later, because it's not a very quick thing that you put something into a processor and the processor gives you the output. मैं जिस output की बात कर रही हूँ, we will be receiving it in some future days, inshallah, and hopefully it would be a pleasant surprise for all of us. But I am actually really worried about that. What are we educating children for? I was recently talking to some of the children, and it was a dream to them कि हमें मोबाइल मिल जाए या गैजेट मिल जाए दिन के कुछ घंटे के लिए, जब कोई हमें देख नहीं रहा है, and we can do whatever we want to do in it. Now this online school has become a blessing in disguise for such children जिनके घर में एक या दो ही फोन थे, और वो पेरेंट्स के पास होते थे या एल्डर सिबलिंग्स के पास होते थे और उन्हें कभी नहीं मिलता था. But now because of the school, mandatorily the family is providing them, and then they are using it. दो सेशन के बीच में या even during the session, they they just minimize the screen of the session and they try something else. They are exploring. I don't say they are misusing. They are exploring, क्योंकि कोई चीज इतना इंतजार करने के बाद मिलती है, so they are exploring. So I just want to tell one thing to the teachers, that हमारा curriculum, हमारा pedagogy, हम ये बहुत सारे aspects को cover करते हैं, but the most important thing is that are we providing the child only with knowledge of some subjects, or are we actually educating the child? This is one question. If you all can think few minutes before you start a session, I think there will be many things which will come to your mind during the sessions, or you can include it in your 40-minute sessions, because now this world is really getting digitalized, and benefits अपनी जगह है, limitations अपनी जगह है, हमारे भी limitations है, we cannot overrule everything, but we have to understand that educating the child is our prime importance, not just learning and teaching the subjects. Thank you so very much. Overall, Kushal sir, a wonderful journey.
Thank you.
Many things that I had been listening for the first time with this specific vocabulary, because when we attend a lot of webinars around the country happening,
Yeah.
and also many international webinars are also going on for the school leaders and teachers, and it's a big pool. लेकिन हाँ कुछ चीजें हैं which are definitely to be kept in mind, which you have definitely successfully brought in front of all the teachers, and I'm sure whatever the teachers has learned is not just limited to back to school training, but it will the rest of their lives also. All the very best, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Zaida ma'am. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Let's hear also from Dureshwar Baji what she has to say. She must have been hearing a lot from Sadia Baji as well and other teachers of Canal Branch.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. All the Bajis, Zaida Bajis. Kushal sir, good morning.
Very good morning. Good afternoon.
I am agree with Zaida Baji. All the points he says most effective. आज हम सब कोविड-19 की वजह से इस हालात से गुजर रहे हैं, इसलिए आप सभी को बहुत अलग तरीके से ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़ी. ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पर ट्रेनिंग देने का हमने जो डिसाइड किया था, जो हमारे टीचर्स ने अच्छे से एक्सेप्ट भी किया और हमसे कोऑपरेट भी हो गए, और आप सब उसके अपने अपने तरीके से हेल्प भी कर रहे हैं, इम्प्लीमेंट भी कर रहे हैं, और आई कैन फील your work is very hard and your efforts that you are trying to put to help students to learning and the way you are helping each other, all this way is very appreciable. जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है मैं देख रही हूँ कि टीचर्स जिस तरह घर से काम कर रहे हैं, हमको फरवरी मार्च में तो कोई आइडिया ही नहीं था कि इस तरह लॉकडाउन हो जाएगा और हमको बच्चों को ऑनलाइन स्टडी करवानी पड़ेगी. लेकिन हमने केनाल ब्रांच में नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए टीचर्स को पहले ही सब प्लान कर लिया था, थीम से, असेंबली से, लेसन इंडेक्स से, ट्रैकर से, एक्सेट्रा. किसी तरह वो हम इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पाए. खैर कोई बात नहीं है, हमारी मेहनत का बदला अल्लाह ताला हमें जरूर देगा. उसके साथ ये भी जब स्कूल में ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म से बच्चों को तरबियत करने का डिसाइड किया तो हमको कुछ आइडिया ही नहीं था कि हम किस तरह से हमारे टीचर्स ने कर पाएंगे, लेकिन हमारे टीचर्स ने सब अच्छी तरीके से कोशिश की और आपने भी सपोर्ट हमको किया. आपने, मुझे पता है कि आप सुबह से जितने भी हमारे बाजीज हैं सुबह से असाइनमेंट देते हैं, रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह बनाते हैं, पूरा दिन चला जाता है, लेट नाइट तक काम करते हैं, इवन 10 to 12 रात के 12 o'clock हो जाता है, 1 o'clock हो जाता है. उसके अलावा जिस तरह आपकी ट्रेनिंग होती है वो भी अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट उसमें भी करते हैं. बैक टू स्कूल का भी उन्होंने अच्छे से किया, टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग भी उन्होंने ली, और इसकी वजह से हमारे टीचर्स का काम करने का जो जज्बा है वो भी सामने आता है. मैं बस यही कहना चाहूंगी कि अल्लाह ताला हमारी मेहनत को कबूल करे और हमें कामयाबी अता करे. और I would like to thank Samit Shala for training to my teachers and for guiding them, helping and supporting throughout. Thank you Kushal sir, Palak ma'am and all the members of the Samit Shala. Thank you Zaida Baji. Thank you so much again.
Thank you, Dureshwar Baji. Thank you so much. I particularly resonate with the idea of like the learning that we have had over the last. I was just talking to someone today morning about the learning which has happened over the last 2 months, particularly in the month of April and May, and almost June finishing now. So something we were talking was about how long is the learning going to continue. कि जिस स्पीड हम लर्निंग हमेशा ही करते थे, लेकिन जिस स्पीड से हम लर्निंग लास्ट 1.5 महीने में की है, राइट, अगर सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाएगा तो शायद ये स्पीड से हम लर्न नहीं करेंगे, हम अपने एवरेज नॉर्मल स्पीड में आ जाएंगे लर्निंग कर्व के. तो उस टाइम पे कैसा लगेगा अगर ये चीज नेक्स्ट 2-3-4 महीना भी चलेगी. द काइंड ऑफ ऑनलाइन टूल्स वी हैव बीन लर्निंग, द काइंड ऑफ ऑनलाइन टेक्निकलिटीज जो हम लोग छोटे छोटे सीख रहे हैं एवरी सिंगल डे, उसको अगर हम 6 महीने बाद देखेंगे हमें लगेगा हम कुछ सीख ही नहीं रहे हैं. अगर सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाएगा तो कहते यार वही टाइम तो उस टाइम बहुत कुछ सीखा था, कुछ सीख ही नहीं रहे, ऐसा ना लगे. So I hope we can keep we don't have to obviously keep that pace like crazy, but I hope we can keep the momentum of learning going, whether it is COVID or non-COVID. And I'm very, very thankful for the teachers to keep up and to keep up the faith and to keep up the trust with us during this time. It's been a little crazy for us also, learning all the things, transferring things online overnight, and to help build that experience. Very thankful to Palak and Tejas sir to bring their experience and technicalities into the factor. वो जो कोट्स आप लोग को जिनको अच्छे लग रहे हैं, अलग अलग तरह के कोट्स, तो कोट्स सारे पलक मैम ने बनाए हैं और लिखे हैं अलग अलग जगह से निकाल के चूज करके, कि पर्टिकुलरली हमारे टीचर्स के लिए क्या राइट रहेगा समझने के लिए क्लासरूम हिसाब से, तो उस तरह से. So yeah, thank you so much teachers as well कि इस तरह से आप engage कर पाए और आपने patience रखा. I understand it's very difficult sometimes. सुबह से आप लोग फोन पर है 2-2.5 घंटा और फिर 1.5 घंटा और फोन पे, like 4-5 hours of small screen time can be really crazy. But हर तरह से आप लोग engage हो पाए, and I hope the learning that you are able to apply in the classroom. We are definitely going to carry forward almost every learning in the next few months into our practices, into the classroom, और next week से जैसे भी अलग अलग तरह के observations होंगे, तो step by step जैसे जैसे Google Form चीजों से comfortable होगी चीजें ground पे, तो हम ये सब practices को activate करना शुरू करेंगे उसमें. Yeah, I think Sadhya Baji had a hand raised. Sadhya Baji, would you like to share anything?
यस सर. सो मैं ये बताना चाहूंगी कि जो जिन टीचर्स को हमने अभी रिक्रूट किया है अभी लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर ही, और उनको हमने सब अलॉटमेंट न्यू दिए हैं, एंड वो कुछ किसी भी चीज को लेके अवेयर नहीं थे, लाइक समिट चाह रहा है एंड देन अदर ट्रेनिंग्स हैं ऑल्सो, के अभी इतना टेक्निकल स्किल्स नहीं होती है, यू नो, लाइक गूगल फॉर्म्स हैं और जो भी ऑनलाइन है प्लेटफॉर्म कैसे यूज करना है, लाइक दैट. सो उनको हमने अलॉटमेंट कर दिया और उन्होंने इंडिपेंडेंट वर्क करना भी स्टार्ट कर दिया. बट देन दे आर एवरी डे दे आर शेयरिंग, बाजी बहुत हेक्टिक है, सुबह से ये शाम हो जाती है बाजी, ऐसे होता है वैसे, लाइक दे आर शेयरिंग देयर एक्सपीरियंस एवरी डे. सो फिर उनमें से एक टीचर ने ऐसे पूछा, बाजी क्या ये स्कूल रीओपन होगी उसके बाद भी इतना ही सारा होगा? सो आई वाज, हाँ, मैंने उनको बोला बाजी एक्चुअली हमारे जो सारे अभी तक जो सारे टीचर्स हैं उन्होंने तब स्कूल को ज्वाइन किया तब स्कूल ओपन थी, तो उनके लिए वो बहुत आसान था, लेकिन उन्होंने धीरे धीरे ये फेस किया कि अभी उनको ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म में इतना सारा काम करना है. सो उनके लिए काम कम था और बढ़ गया. आपका ऐसा है कि आपने अभी, आपको ये फायदा होगा कि अभी आपने ज्वाइन किया है और आप इतना सारा काम कर रहे हो, जब स्कूल रीओपन होगी तो आपका काम बहुत कम हो जाएगा. तो मतलब वो एक आपका आपको इस तरीके से पता चलेगा कि भाई आपने इतना सारा लर्न कर लिया है इन 2 months में, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू सी के आप लोगों ने खुद ने क्या क्या सीखा. जैसे जैसे आपने यहाँ पर अभी तो जो टीचर्स हमारे पास थे उन्होंने जो सीखा था उनको वो इम्प्लीमेंट करने का पहले मौका मिला, एंड देन ग्रेजुअली जो हमने ट्रेनिंग दी तो वो उन्होंने बाद में सीखा. अभी आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि आप लोग को इतना सारा जो ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है, आप लोग को स्टार्टिंग से ही ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है, एंड देन जब आप 2 months के बाद या थोड़े वक्त के बाद देखोगे तो आपको खुद ऐसे रियलाइज होगा कि ओ ये सारे स्किल्स हैं जो मेरे अंदर डेवलप हो गए, ओ मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ, नाउ आई कैन डू दिस एंड दैट, लाइक दैट. एंड इफ आई कैन सी के इन चीजों का फायदा भी बहुत हुआ है, लाइक अभी इसी गूगल फॉर्म्स एंड जो जूम है और बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं ऑनलाइन की जो पहले से है, लेकिन हम कभी अभी तक तो हमने उसको देखा भी नहीं कि ठीक है इट एग्जिस्ट एंड लाइक दैट कि हम उसको यूज करेंगे या यूज कर सकते. वी नाउ नेवर थॉट ऑफ दैट. We used to talk to parents whenever they come to school and like that. We usually communicate through WhatsApp only, but this has taught us ke okay, this is a way how can we reach to parents after school reopens. हम किस तरीके से पेरेंट्स के साथ कम्युनिकेशन बना सकते हैं, नॉट ओनली इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि अगर उन्हें कोई चैलेंज है वगैरह, बट हम जो स्कूल में सिखाते हैं उसके साथ वो और बच्चे दोनों कनेक्टेड रहे. अभी ऐसा था कि सिर्फ बच्चे और टीचर कनेक्टेड रहती थी, हम लोग होमवर्क वगैरह भी देते थे तो पेरेंट्स का कुछ इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं था. अभी ऐसा है कि भाई जब स्कूल ओपन होंगी तो हमारे जो असाइनमेंट्स हैं वो हम इस तरीके से डाल सकते हैं जिसकी वजह से पेरेंट्स को पता चले कि भाई उनके बच्चों को क्या सिखाया जा रहा है. एंड देन जब नोटबुक की कंप्लेंट्स हमेशा रहती है कि भाई बच्चे की नोटबुक इनकम्प्लीट है उन्होंने, और फिर पेरेंट्स सैटरडे में आके नोटबुक कंप्लीट करते हैं ये वो. सो अब थोड़े ये सारे चैलेंजेस हम सोच सकते हैं कि हम किसी ना किसी तरीके से इसको जो भी हमने सीखा है उसको अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करके वो सारे चैलेंजेस को हम ओवरकम कर पाएंगे इंशाल्लाह. जज़ाकल्लाह.
Thank you, Sadhya Baji, for sharing it. And I think I can completely resonate. There will be certain things which the new teachers will need help with, and that is where we are definitely recording most of the sessions here. और काफी सारे Google Forms हो, चाहे कोई भी technicalities हो, the good thing is सबके tutorial, very easy tutorials YouTube वगैरह पे available है for every single thing. So you do not have to worry, step by step उन सब चीजों में orientation हो सकता है. I think Rafia Baji shared raised hand to share something. Yes, Rafia Baji.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. So, सबसे पहले तो मैं आप लोगों को थैंक यू बोलूंगी पूरी कि आपने सिर्फ इस बार अपने टीचर्स नहीं बल्कि हमारी पूरी एक नए पैटर्न पर आप लोग लेकर आए. स्पेशली इसमें तेजस सर को अगर मैं सोचूं आपकी पूरी टीम में, तो पहले हम कभी मिले नहीं ऐसे करके, कभी मुलाकात हुई नहीं, कभी बातचीत हुई नहीं. तो अगर मैं तेजस सर की जगह होती तो मैं यही बोलती कि मैं कभी मिली नहीं हूँ और पहले ही सारे सेशंस आपने मुझे दे दिए करने के लिए और मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगी ये सब. लेकिन तेजस सर ने जितना ब्यूटीफुली हैंडल किया सब चीजों को, और अलग अलग से भी टीचर्स को जिस तरह फैसिलिटेट किया, हमेशा मुझसे भी जो उनका थोड़ा बहुत कोऑर्डिनेशन हुआ उसमें भी जिस तरह से उनका सपोर्ट रहा, दैट वाज रियली रिमार्केबल सर. मतलब ऐसे पहले बार ही किसी टीम में आ जाना और इस तरह से सपोर्ट करना, तो वो चीज तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा इंस्पायर की. और बाकी आपका भी कि जो पेशेंस है आप लोगों में कि लाइक अभी बात नहीं कर सकते तो थोड़ी देर बाद वैसे करके, लाइक ऐसा अपने को रख के सोचो अगर उस जगह पे, तो ऐसा लगता है कि सपोर्ट नहीं आ रहा है तो हम क्या करें ऐसे करके, लेकिन वो चीज कभी भी यहाँ से नहीं मिलती. तो वो एक ये थॉट दिल में आता है हमेशा कि फोकस जो है हमेशा काम पर होना चाहिए. ये सारे जो ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं वो हमेशा रास्ते में रहेंगे, हमारा फोकस हमेशा हमारे गोल पर होना चाहिए. ये चीज रियली सर मुझे मतलब ये पूरा सेशन अटेंड करके या जब से भी आप लोगों से रिलेशन बना है तब से ही समझ में आती है ये चीज, और वो प्रैक्टिकल अब कैसे हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करें वो चीज हम सीखते हैं आप लोगों से. दैट इज व्हाई थैंक यू सो मच. दैट्स ऑल.
Thank you, Rafia Baji. Thank you so much. It really means a lot, the words and the kindness.
Yes, Rafia Baji. I'd also like to thank you. It really means a lot जो भी आपने बोला. I would also like to share मेरे लिए नया था, but I never felt कि I'm talking to strangers या फिर मैं टीचर्स को बिल्कुल ही नहीं जानता हूँ. Initially एक दो सेशंस लगे थे टीचर्स को समझने के लिए, but then the support I got from all the teachers, that was really amazing. कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि टीचर्स की तरफ से सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा है या मेरे लिए ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग हो रहा है. जहाँ पे भी चैलेंजेस आ रहे थे टीचर्स ने, हम सब ने मिलके we tried to overcome those challenges. So it was a smooth ride for me as well, and I'm also grateful to all the teachers, everyone, for being so supportive. It was really nice being connected, being engaged in the entire BTS plus pre-BTS program with you all. Thank you very much.
सर ये हमारे टीचर्स ना हमेशा ही आपको अमेजिंग मिलेंगे. देखिए मैं आपको बताऊं, कल हफ्सा बाजी जो है नहीं कर पा रहे थे, सेशन अटेंड नहीं कर पा रहे थे. शी वाज इन द हॉस्पिटल, शी इज रियली हैविंग सम सीवियर प्रॉब्लम्स, बट वहां पर भी वेटिंग एरिया में बैठे बैठे वो मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं, सेशन ऐसे शुरू हो गया और मुझे रिकॉर्डिंग चाहिए होगी, आप कुशल सर को प्लीज बोल देना. मतलब उनकी डेट मिल गई है ऑपरेशन की लेकिन उनको उसकी परवाह नहीं है, और वो शाम में भी मुझे कॉल करके बोल रहे हैं मैं अटेंड नहीं कर पाई. तो ये सब टीचर मतलब वाकई बहुत अमेजिंग है. इनकी तरफ से जो सपोर्ट मिलता है ना, दैट इज रियली ग्रेट. थैंक यू सो मच टू द टीचर्स आल्सो.
थैंक यू राफिया बाजी एंड जाहिदा बाजी.
थैंक यू राफिया बाजी. आपने जो कहा वो बहुत सही बात है. समेत शाला से इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, बाकी सारी चीजें तो हमने सीख ली. Now I think I will personally need some sessions on patience from Kushal sir and Tejas sir, because every day when I just go back के क्या हुआ आज पूरे दिन में, तो मैं समेत शाला के बारे में सोच के यही बोल रही हूँ कि पता नहीं इनके पास कौन सा खजाना हाथ लग गया है पेशेंस का. They never get angry like me, they never seem to be frustrated like me. I'm sure back of the mind सबके होता है, because we all live with a normal human mental new system, but yes, that is really commendable, the patience that you have exhibited, and the convincing power, the conviction that you have, that you are ready to give and you convince the people that yes, you should take it, you need to take it, and then more than willingly teachers participate, they cooperate, they contribute. But all that contribution comes after the initiation that comes from your side. So yes, definitely, when the start is good, well begin, half done. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Zaida ma'am.
हाँ,
A lot of words. Yes.
thank you कुशल sir.
Thank you, Darshaba ji. I think I've been always fortunate over the last 2 years.
आपका face always smiley रहता है. It's very nice.
I think I will give the smiling credit to the team and the teachers very honestly. Like I think वो trust जो सबने आप सबने बरकरार रखा है, वो trust ही है जो it helps me to get up every morning to strive and get the best whatever we can. Like whatever best we have, we can get the best of every day. And बाकी तो learning will take care of the journey as well.
Yeah, sir, it's not like कि आप like अगर हम समेतशाला के अलावा देखें कि समेतशाला के अलावा हमको जहाँ जहाँ भी हेल्प की जरूरत रही, लाइक ये मेरे लिए तो बहुत नया था बिकॉज मैंने समेतशाला की ऐसे पहले सेशंस नहीं लिए, अटेंड नहीं किए थे. सो दिस टाइम मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया और कोशिश की कि नो, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मिस नाउ इन एनी विच केसेस. एंड देन लाइक यू नो, जब भी आपने सिर्फ समेतशाला के टीचर्स को ही नहीं बल्कि हमारे जो दूसरे टीचर्स को भी जहाँ जहाँ पर लाइक लगता था हमें कि हाँ ये सारे ट्रेनिंग्स हैं, ये टीचर्स को अटेंड करने चाहिए, एंड देन आपने उसकी परमिशन दे दी, लाइक जूम की जो आपने टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग दी. सो लाइक आई एम रियली वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू एंड द टीम दैट आप लोगों ने उस ट्रेनिंग में भी हमारे दूसरे सारे टीचर्स को रखा. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, जब भी लाइक कहीं पर भी कोई ऐसे चैलेंज या क्वेरी आता है तो आई यूज टू मैसेज यू के सर ऐसे हुआ है, ये हुआ वो हुआ, एंड यू यूज टू गाइड मी एंड देन सपोर्ट मी फॉर दैट. इवन कामिल सर जो हैं उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा चीजें टेक्निकल चीजों में बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट किया है. तेजस सर हैं जो सारी डिटेल्स बहुत स्पेसिफिक होकर बता रहे हैं. इवन पलक मैम जो हैं, सो लाइक इट्स लाइक के मतलब इससे ये चीज सामने आती है कि आप लोगों का जो आपस में कोऑर्डिनेशन है वो इट इज लाइक एट द बेस्ट, बिकॉज बीच में से कहीं पर कुछ भी उठाकर किसी को पूछो तो वो सबको पता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक एक चीज इनको पता है, एक चीज उसको पता है, एक चीज उसको पता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. कहीं से कुछ भी उठा लो और इनको पूछो, उनको सब लोगों को वो चीज पता है और सब उसका आंसर कर पाते हैं. सो इट्स लाइक के वेरी वेल कोऑर्डिनेशन अमंग यू एंड योर टीम, एंड थैंक you for supporting me and the teachers and for if in each and every phase in this online mode and forever. Thank you so much sir.
Thank you Radha ji. I think
आतिया बाजी, आपने समेतशाला की बिल्कुल सही तारीफ की, उसके साथ साथ हमारी कुछ पोले भी खोल दी.
नहीं. I think it's a lot of learning both ways. I think हमने बहुत सारी चीजें देखी है, चीजें होती है, और जहाँ हम देखते हैं कि लाइक जिधर भी मैक्सिमम चीजें स्मूथ हो सके, बिकॉज सबसे ज्यादा एनर्जी जाहिदा मैंने बताया कि वो पेशेंस को रखने में जितना एनर्जी लगता है वो कई बार बहुत ड्रेनिंग लगता है. यू नो लाइक इट बिकम्स रियली ड्रेनिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ यार लाइक हमें काम बच्चों के लिए करना है और हम बाकी सब चीजों में क्यों फंसे हुए हैं सब चीजों में. So I think one thing जो टीम के साथ even I would introduce like आप लोगों ने काफी सेशंस के बाद एवरी सिंगल डे ऑनलाइन काफी तरह का कम्युनिकेशन देखा होगा जो बैकग्राउंड में अनसीन तरीके से होता रहता है. लास्ट ईयर भी एक सर थे हमारे साथ जिसको जो हेल्प कर रहे थे. इस बार मानव भैया है जो पुणे से है. he's in Bombay right now and he studies in one of the university in Pune, but वो बॉम्बे से सब चीज एवरी डे लॉग इन करके चीजें देख के पीछे में बैकग्राउंड में हेल्प करते हैं सारा कम्युनिकेशन करने का. और हर साल जैसे हमारी रिपोर्ट और वीडियोस वगैरह बनते हैं तो ही इज वर्किंग ऑन दोस थिंग्स. सो जितना भी सेशंस का डिटेल अभी तक हमारे पास हमने एक्सपीरियंस गो थ्रू किया है, सबकी रिकॉर्डिंग वगैरह रिपोर्ट सब चीजें होगी तो वो आपके साथ शेयर की जाएगी. सो आई थिंक व्हाट वी आर आल्सो लर्निंग एवरी सिंगल डे इन द बैक एंड इज जस्ट दैट द फोकस कि हर चीज अल्टीमेटली जितना भी हम बैकएंड में एक दूसरे अपने ऊपर या टीम के ऊपर जितना भी अलग तरह का चीज लेते हैं, एवरी टाइम वी ट्राई टू क्वेश्चन इट कि ये बच्चों तक कितनी जल्दी पहुंचेगा. अगर वो दिख रहा है कि 3 हफ्ते में, 4 हफ्ते में, 1 हफ्ते में बच्चों तक पहुंच रहा है, वी आर हैप्पी टू मेक दैट एफर्ट. सो आई थिंक और एंड इट्स लॉट ऑफ दोस एस्पेक्ट इज कमिंग अप विद द like support of you all. Otherwise ये training कैसे हो पाती? Possible नहीं था. बिल्कुल भी training को कर पाना. So I think that's one thing I would definitely want to put up. Yeah. ठीक है, I guess we are all done through the today's thing. There is a short 10 minutes thing. Palak ma'am can share the link with us very quickly in the chat box, and very 10 minutes thing that normally हम लोग feedback देते हैं, तो feedback हम लोग roll out कर देंगे form, but there is a 10-minute short test, 10 to 12 minutes. अगर आप लोग Google form को देख के दे सके, which is regarding everything that we have learned, that will be super helpful to understand कि जो next phase of journey है school wise, हमें वो journey कैसे distribute करनी है और कैसे support plan करना है. So that test will help us to take through that. So we'll share a very quick link. Palak ma'am will help to do it. Raita ma'am, Dureshwar ji, अगर आप लोग को ऐसा, if free, absolutely you're happy to stay, feel free to stay. But if there is anything that your pressing needs are towards the work, definitely you can continue. We'll be logging out right after this towards the end.
Thank you so much. I will log out because I am getting too many calls from the GSWT office and the admin office, and they all are waiting for me to respond back. Thank you so much. It was wonderful to see you all, hear you all, and the work has been done exceptionally, amazingly. And all the very best to the Samit Shala team and all my Bajis, Canal Branch, Dureshwar Baji, everyone. May we all achieve all our goals in the best possible manner. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Raita ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dureshwar Baji. Also, please feel free to stay if you have chance and time.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, but otherwise, if you have work, then definitely we can carry on as well. So that's a form link, everyone. Palak ma'am has just helped. Oh, okay, yeah, to share with everyone. Visible. It can be done on phone. It's a normal Google form. So take it. It's an open book test. Use your notes. Use anything that you wish. There is no challenge in that. I hope everyone has the form and is able to access the form at the same time. If you have finished it, you can show a thumbs up maybe to the or done anything. Hi. Palak, have we got responses of all in the backend?
Hello, Kushal sir. We are getting responses, not all.
Okay, okay. So teachers who have finished the form, there is one last, we can almost log out, but there is one last very quick. I'm sharing one link and there is one question with one word. If you can fill in that, that will be very helpful. I'll leave the question for you to explore. There's a link in the chat box and there's one question with one word in the link. If you have finished the short test, maybe you can help filling this last one link. We'll see you all. If you have filled the last one also, then yeah, we can disperse for today. And I'll see you all tomorrow with Shabda ma'am from Azim Premji University. She is going to join us tomorrow at the same time, 12:45, to take us through. It's a very relaxed tomorrow's discussion is very, very relaxed. It's not much about students only. It's not much about classrooms, but it's just about our own self and just our own self as a teacher. And how do we build that piece very, very strongly in us? That's what tomorrow's discussion will be last about. So we will wrap up after tomorrow with all the things. So definitely, thank you so much everyone for filling out the form also. And once you fill up the test, you can fill up this short thing, and then we can definitely leave as well. Thank you, Hafsa Baji. Thank you, Farin Baji. Thank you, everyone.
So can we leave?
Yes, yes. If you have finished both the things, definitely please feel free to leave. Have your lunch, and we'll see you all tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.